channel. And Mom is separating the dress. Let's not care about that because next week I'm just gonna learn about that, how we wash dishes and those stuff that grown-ups do. So let's not care about that. Ayusman gave me this present. Long weekend, it was my birthday. So today he gave me this. He was here and now he went back home. So let's see what is in this box, guys. So much plastic. Whoa, Barbie! Fascinating, yeah? Okay, well, these most items, let's see. What's that tool we open? There's the zip. Okay. Oh, it's the whole bag of it. Guys, I'm really excited for this. Okay. Wow, a whole plastic. Let's get this paper out first. Get back the wallet. So big. We don't need this. So pretty, princess. Like a stage. But I don't need that anymore. Yes. I finally got it. Okay, this is now. Now take it out. Oh, plastic tape. Statue. Take the tape out from this beauty of nail. Capture the beauty of sleep. That's great. This pretty thing here, guys. Okay, I'm gonna test it out how it works, or I'm gonna. Maybe that's just for a design. I don't know. Tape again. We have to take tape out of the way. We are in the video mode. Another tape, how tape sticks and how tape doesn't need. We're not at that time yet. Oh, gotta come. Just a little bit things that was going on. So I'm going to take this layer off. Capture the beauty of sleep. Funny. And I got stick paper bro. Dad can help me with this.
What happened there?
This stupid thing is connected to the bag.
Oops.
Can you help me?
Okay.
Because something was stuck. Can you help me, Dad, again?
I can do it.
Doesn't work. Anyways, I really love it. Open the palette and open this. Awesome. I got that toy and that big guns here. Yeah, got it. Now let's capture the beauty of sleep. Capture the beauty. Kainu. Okay. In Nepali it calls Kainu. In English it calls comb. So I got these. Now just for this starting. Guys, I don't know why this is so awesome and cool. Because I feel like it's a water fountain here. Okay. So beauty. That's a beauty of sleep. Okay, now gotta get the little bit. Yeah. Like the cover. Like this. Now get the other part and cut. Stick. Now scissor. Some normal scissors we have here. How to get this out? Well, let's do that the last of the video. I promise, guys. More of some of these in. Oh my! This also came.
That flew away.
Yeah, for you. So this is supposed to be like this.
And you like the items?
Oh.
Wow, Ayusman's brother gave you lots of nice toys.
Whoa.
What would you like to do with these toys now?
Do an unboxing now or hair dye? Both the hair, yeah. Awesome. Now I'm testing these items, but this is not real lipstick, just a toy one. So I'm gonna work. Do it look beauty? So beauty. Is this clip?
You like the items?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is this real clip?
You wanna thank Ayusman brother?
Yeah, I want to.
Okay.
Thank you, Ayusman brother. This is all a video about you. Because I love you and you love me.
Okay, so thank you. Say thank you everybody. I'll play then later. I'll just tell you something more.
I'll play later. I'll tell you some more.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Look at the camera.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.